Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to cancel subscription in Google Play. So, in order to do this, first of all, open your mobile phone. Now, open your Play Store on your mobile phone and click on your profile icon at the top right side of the screen. Now, when you click on your profile icon, you will see this menu where you'll have to simply choose Payments and Subscriptions. When you click on this button, it will take you to this page. Now, on this page, you will see payment methods, subscription, budget and history, and redeem code. So simply choose subscriptions on this page and it will show up all your subscription that you'll have on Google Play. So I have this X, that is Twitter subscription. Now I'll have to simply click on the X icon. Now when I click on X, it will show up this page where it will show up all the details of the subscription. So it will show up the upcoming charges and the payment per month and the date for the subscription. You will see the cancel subscription button just at the bottom. Click on cancel subscription and it will take you to this page where it will ask you what's making you cancel. So simply, before cancelling, let them know why you're leaving. Your response may be shared with the developer. So simply choose any one of these or choose decline to answer and click on continue. After this, you can simply click on cancel subscription button again and this will instantly cancel the subscription that you'll have with Google Play. So that's how you cancel a subscription on Google Play. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.